Well, it's the evening time and we're getting ready to go home, but not before we receive a brand new 2019 Ram 1500. Now, this isn't our first 19. We've done a video of a Ram 1500 with a level kit on it, but I think we're gonna do something just a little bit bigger in the form of a 6-inch lift. Rough Country's the name of the lift we're gonna put on, and I'm excited. So stick around and see what that looks like. Alright, morning is here. 19 is in the shop. We've got the wheels off and we're getting ready to put the kit on. Of course, as I mentioned, we have a very spectacular Rough Country 6-inch suspension lift getting ready to go on. This kit utilizes strut top spacers and a whole bunch of other black metal. So I guess we're gonna start tearing these old suckers off and putting the new suckers on. Gonna do a quick before video of the rear. This is the stock suspension. Of course, everybody knows Dodge Rams use coil springs in the rear for their suspension rather than leaf springs like other popular manufacturers do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a coil spring spacer, control arm relocation brackets, and track bar relocation brackets, and a bunch of other stuff, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, here's the after of the rear. We have our spring top spacer. A couple of things that are different from the 19s over the 18. The control arm bracket. This kit comes with a bracket instead of a new control arm. The shocks are just a little bit different in the way that they mount. We've got a bump stop extension here and a track bar relocation bracket. Very cool stuff, very cool stuff. Also, we have a sway bar, a new longer sway bar end length, but that's pretty standard. That's pretty standard stuff. Looking real good. Okay, we're gonna shoot a little bit of a before while he's starting the disassemble for the front. So this is basically stock suspension. Just want to give a good quick walk around and then we'll go over the after and talk about what has changed. Here we have the after of the suspension. So basically what we've done is we've replaced the spindle. We achieve our lift from a strut top spacer here. We've got new cross members for the control arms. New things to this kit include replacement brake lines, where before they actually used a brake line relocation bracket. We also have a sway bar drop bracket and a few other very good stuff. We're just getting ready to button this guy up. We're gonna slap the wheels on. I believe that's them sitting over there. And then we'll see what she all looks like coming together. Okay, and here we have it. Wheels back on the ground, finished and looking spectacular. Again, we have a 2019 Ram 1500 4x4. The customer went with a 6-inch Rough Country suspension lift, looking really good. I'm gonna do a nice pan around. Love the way that new grill came out. These are customer supplied wheels and tires. Customer went with a set of 20-inch fuel wheels and the Nitto Ridge Grappler 37 12.5 on a 20. Now, one interesting thing to take note on these new 19 Rams is underneath here. Try to see if I can get a picture or a video of it. It comes with an auto adjustable valence that runs off of an electric motor. See if we can. I can't get in there, but I'm interested to see how that's going to affect the way that the vehicle drives. We haven't trimmed it yet, but we have instructed the customer to drive it a little bit and see how that affects the 37s. Other than that, package came out looking spectacular. Sorry for shaking the video all over the place. Looking really good. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. My name is Trent. This is 4x4 Works in McKinney, Texas. Please give me a shout if you have anything that you would like to get customized. Check us out online, 4x4works.com, Facebook, Instagram, or of course, come on by to see me in McKinney, Texas. Thank you so much. You have a great day.